Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to online study for you, a complete placement solution. Friends, TCS has confirmed there will be no layoff at Tata Consultancy Services. Also, there will be hirings and the hikes will be similar to the previous year. So there will be no impact on the employees hike this year also. And that is the reason I say TCS is one of the best company. TCS also said that they are going to give the opportunity to the employee who has lost their job, right? So each and everything has been there in this article, and this article has been published by many news channels. Friends, earlier I had told you TCS has made a profit of 10,846 crores, and that's the reason they are going to hire more number of candidates. But friends, see, profit is a different part. TCS has always taken care of the employees. Now here you can see, so we don't do layoffs. We believe in grooming talent in the company, right? And there will be no layoffs. Chief Human Resources Officer Milind Lakad said, right? And here you can see this country largest information technology service exporter is also looking to hire a startup employee who has lost their jobs. He said the company, which employs over 6 lakhs people, will be announcing hike which will be similar to the earlier years, right? And you can see this is the latest update, right? So Feb 19th, okay, that means yesterday's update. Now friends, see, everybody talks about the layoffs, okay, but nobody talks about the technology on which the employees were working, right? And you also know that many of the companies have started hiring now, but now they are looking for the special talent as the number of candidates searching for the job is used, right? So we have candidates from 2020 batch, 2021 batch, 2022 batch, 2023 batch. So now the company definitely has a challenge. So what kind of candidate with what skill candidate they should prefer, or they should get a job, right? So friend, definitely there should be some career option in which the impact of recession should not be there, right? Or the job loss should not be there. So it's like a recession proof career option. So you can ask, sir, what is the technology on which you should work on so that you will be having a better job and you will be working with the latest trending technology? Okay, so friends, today I'm going to bring one platform here, and also the technology which you should go for so that your job will be secure, right? So Career Accelerator Program is an intensive online training program for cloud computing which you can do from anywhere, right? And the platform which is going to provide you is premium learnings, right? So the course is taught in two mixed languages, that is English and Hindi, so that all of you can understand it well, okay? And now you can ask me, sir, IT or non-IT? So this particular program is for both IT or non-IT backgrounds, and they will be able to join the course. They have got wonderful results in terms of recruitment of even non-IT student, right? Because most of the courses, most of the program is there only for the non-IT student, okay? And friends, their courses is so popular among Hindi English speaking audience that people from India, USA, UK, Australia, Nepal, and even Pakistan are joining it to learn in demand skill, okay? And the training teams have mentored having 16 years of experience, right? So definitely, if you know the mentors has a lot of experience, if they have worked with industry, they will only be able to tell you that what kind of skills is required to get into a company, right? And friends, the most important thing here is they provide the first week of classes to be absolutely free. They also provide video replay recordings to you as well, along with doubt community where you can ask your doubt 24/7, okay? Now, so friends, why did I say that this is this you should definitely go for? Because that free classes, no, 1 week of free classes. See, when you join, and see, the teacher, the mentor has to be very, very good. See, I will tell you, when I was in my 12th, I did not like physics at all. And even after that also I did not like, because it depends how the mentor is, right? And if you are able to understand the classes or not. So here 1 week of free classes is given for you. So you should definitely go for it. And then you should decide that you should continue or not, right? So the link is given in description, friend. Don't waste even a single seconds. Premium learnings also provides you with 100% dedicated job assistance where you will get higher salary package. They have provide you with more than 92 recruiters around pan India who have got great job offers. Cloud computing is a recession proof job options, as there is still very high demand for cloud engineers. Okay, so we provide the best training beneficial for your career growth, because they will be giving you live projects, hands-on training, 1 year access to recruitment, and better salary package and job satisfaction. So friends, I personally recommend you to join and attend at least the first free week of their very popular Career Accelerator program. You should also watch the success story in their YouTube channel, where people from different backgrounds have shared their success story in detail. Okay, so here friends, you can fill the form, you can talk to them, you can attend 1 week of free live classes, and then you can decide, okay, what next you have to do. So friends, for what are you waiting? Click on the link given in description and get a chance to work with your dream company. See you soon. Thank you.